Ow!
Has a massive scoliosis that's been cooking up for lots and lots of years.
Oh.
Beautiful. Last time I looked at that x-ray, I remember seeing 18 fractures out of 24 vertebrae in the spine. Just bada bing, bada boom, bada bing. They were all old fractures. Up, up, and down, up and down, up and down. Good.
Ow!
Yep. Oh, yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
All right, Miss Lorraine, relax that head for me.
Oh.
There it is.
We gotta get charged up now.
Good.
Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Power's on.
All down the back.
Wow.
My middle of my back too.
That all healing takes time? That this isn't Amazon Prime, right?